1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upstream once. Rewind twice. 1, 2. Fast forward twice. 1, 2. You can tell that my screen's kind of going haywire a little bit. Alright guys, so we have the On Roku TV. Today I want to tell you guys how to fix a black or flickering black TV screen, okay? So if your TV screen is black or flickering black but still has audio, still has audio, this is a way to fix it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to just check if we have audio first, okay? I'm assuming that, just pretend that this is black. I'm going to check the audio, okay? You can tell that you can hear something coming out. So we do have audio, okay? So this is how to reset the Roku TV from a key control, okay? So what we're going to do is the key control is going to be 5 taps on the home screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there's going to be 1 tap on the up screen, okay, up. Then you're going to do the rewind twice, 1, 2, and then the fast forward twice, 1, 2, okay? So notice I didn't click it. I want you guys to do it together with me. Okay, so let's start it. So the home screen 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Upstream once, rewind twice, 1, 2, fast forward twice, 1, 2. You can tell that my screen's kind of going haywire a little bit. This means that it's resetting. It'll freeze here for just a moment. And just after a moment, it'll actually start turning off the Roku TV, and it will restart on its own, okay? So that's how to fix it using the key control of restarting your Roku TV. If it comes back up and it is still flickering black, you might just want to repeat this step, okay, guys, as you can see that it just turned off. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you.